paradise. I can't stay here anymore, and I've looked high and low. I've been from shore to shore to shore. If there's a shortcut, I've found it, but there's no easy way around it. Out of the world, shine on me. Love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free. Love is the answer. Who knows why? Someday we all must die. We all hopeless boys and girls, and we never will. It's such a lonely, lonely, lonely world. People turn their heads and walk on by. Tell me, is it worth just another try? Word of the world, shine on me. Love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free. Love is the answer. Tell me, or just a dying planet? What are the chances? Ask the man in your heart will be answered. When you feel afraid, love one another. You lost your way, love one another. When you're all alone, love one another. When you're far from home, love one another. When you're down and out, love one another. When your hopes run out, love one another. When you need a friend, love one another. When you're near the end, love, we got love one another. Out of the world shall be. Love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free. Love is the answer. Light of the world, shine on me. Love is the answer. Shine on us all, set us free. Love is the answer. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Soulfingers back with you with another hopefully interesting ditty for you to learn. This one is a tall order for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, lots of chords in it. Okay, not the easiest song to play and sing. And it's of course a song from Dan Seals called Love is the Answer. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Dan Seals did a solo version of it, if you like, with an acoustic guitar. Okay, so I hope you like that. Please excuse the singing, but it's just for reference only, as usual. But there's a preview for it, a demo version, if you like, and hopefully I'm going to make a couple of lessons on it for you shortly. One is for purely on the intro. Part 1 will be purely the intro, which is also played as a sort of bridge section later on in the song. And then this part 2 will be the verses, the chorus and the refrain. Okay, so you'll have the complete song. Well, I'll leave you with you and see what everybody thinks, and then hopefully we'll get enough positives to make the lessons. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you soon. Bye for now.